Have you ever wondered if our world map is truly complete? We are taught from a young age that there are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. These vast landmasses have defined our history, our cultures, and the evolution of life itself. But what if I told you there was another? A continent so immense it spans nearly 5 million square kilometers, yet it remained hidden for millions of years. How could something so colossal simply vanish, swallowed by the sea? This is the extraordinary story of Earth's 8th continent, a lost world waiting to be rediscovered. To understand this mystery, we must ask, what truly makes a continent? It is not merely a large piece of land. It must be elevated above the surrounding ocean floor. It must be made of continental crust, thicker and less dense than oceanic crust. And it must be vast in area, not a small island. The first clues to Zealandia's existence began to surface not on land, but from the depths of the ocean. For years, scientists mapped the seabed around New Zealand. They used ships equipped with sonar, sending sound waves into the darkness, and listening for echoes that painted the ocean floor's topography. Instead of a deep, flat plain, they found a vast, elevated plateau of continental crust. This submerged landmass stretched far beyond familiar shores, connecting to the distant islands of New Caledonia. Further evidence came from drilling deep into the seabed. Researchers extracted rock cores from kilometers beneath the surface. They found not the dense basalt of oceanic crust, but lighter rocks like granite and schist, as if they had drilled through the ocean floor and hit a hidden land. The pieces of the puzzle began to fit. New Zealand's islands are the highest mountains of a larger fragment. Proposed in 1995, confirmed by geologists in 2017. Although most of Zealandia is hidden in the ocean's twilight zone, it is far from a barren wasteland. A landscape of immense underwater mountains, deep canyons, and sprawling plateaus. Some seamounts rise for thousands of meters, creating unique habitats and acting like oases in the deep. Strange ancient corals form delicate forests on these slopes, providing shelter for fish, crabs, and countless invertebrates adapted to crushing pressure. The fragments above water hint at the continent's biological past. Unique animals evolved in isolation for millions of years, the flightless kiwi and the ancient tuatara. Fossils reveal land-dwelling dinosaurs and ancient plants. Shared flora across vast seas point to a former land bridge. Zealandia was once part of the ancient supercontinent Gondwana, until immense forces stretched and thinned it about 85 million years ago. It pulled away, becoming its own continent. But its crust was unusually thin and low-lying. Over millions of years, it slowly sank. Today, about 94% lies submerged, with only its highest peaks, New Zealand and New Caledonia. The confirmation of Zealandia has profound implications for science. It is a natural lab for how continents behave when stretched thin. Understanding this helps explain earthquakes, mountains, and a changing Earth. Its sediments record climate and life, vital for better climate models. It raises questions about maritime boundaries and seabed resources, and a critical need for careful management and conservation. Many mysteries still remain. Scientists are eager to map its full expanse, discover volcanoes, find fossils, and reveal more of its story.